Today, I'll show you how to enable desktop icons in Windows 10. You're watching TechFad. First, you'll need to make sure that this option is checked. Now open Start menu, then click here to open Settings. Go to Personalization, then click on Themes. Now click on Desktop Icon Settings. You can see that desktop icons are unchecked. As a result, they are not showing up on your desktop. Now check these boxes. Click Apply, then click OK. Now all of your desktop icons are visible.
Hope you like this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below along with a comment with anything you'd like to share with us. Also, don't forget to subscribe and to follow TechFad on social media. Links are in the description.